Alrighty guys, so we're going to go over 3 stocks in this video that I believe are way too beaten down. They're way oversold. We're going to go over the charts, break down some key levels, what I'm looking to do with these stocks. But before we dive into the video, guys, don't forget to get your free stocks from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. All you guys have to do is go down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And guys, listen to this, fund it with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks you just got. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. So if you want those free stocks, guys, use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So the first stock that I want to get into, guys, and we're going to do some rapid fire here. Maybe we'll do a bonus one at the end. The first one is ticker symbol DHI. Let me pull it up and show you this chart, guys, which is Dr. Horton. You guys can see here, this stock in the most recent trading day went down almost 4%, down about $4.40 roughly, and it closed at 114, almost 115 bucks per share. And right off the bat, guys, looking at this chart, what do you notice? Well, I'm noticing that this stock has been uptrending, and now recently it's been pulling back, and it kind of looks like a healthy pullback to me. I don't know about you guys, but look, we have actually seen many of these healthy pullbacks over the past couple of months. You guys can see on the 4-hour chart here, we've been riding these moving averages pretty much since, by the looks of it, the beginning, middle, towards, actually more like towards the end of October. And every time we've pulled back, whether it's a couple percentage points, maybe 10, 12 percentage points, like we did back, when was that? In February heading into March. Every time we pull back, we do get buyers, coming in. At least over the past couple of months, we have. That doesn't mean for sure it's going to happen again, but now that it's pulling back, we are oversold here on the RSI, and we're approaching the 180 SMA, anywhere from 111, 12, 13. I'm looking to see if buyers come in again, and I want to see if, essentially history repeats itself. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. But this is number one. DHI is the ticker, and I just realized this company is reporting earnings later this month, like a lot of companies are, guys, a lot of big tech, a lot of just companies in general. They're on the 20th of July, which I believe is on Thursday. So what is that? So yeah, that's about 2 weeks away from today. So keep your eyes on it at about 112, roughly 13. That's what I'm personally doing, guys. And of course, don't just go and buy any of these stocks based on this video. Please trade at your own risk. And with that being said, let's talk about the second stock here, which is ticker symbol ENPH. And I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of Enphase, right? Let me pull it up again, ticker symbol ENPH. And right off the bat, you'll notice on the 4-hour chart, this is actually not showing any signs of a reversal. It's not. I mean, you guys can see we've been downtrending for months, and that's after this stock did very freaking well in 2022, I believe. Funny enough, when the markets were getting crushed in 2022, Enphase actually did very well. And now that the markets are doing well in general, Enphase is not doing so well. You guys can see we hit 340 back in December. Now Enphase is at $160 roughly, which means it is down over 50% from that point. We have a death cross as well. We're under the moving averages, and again, we're not showing any signs of a reversal, at least right now, guys. And the 4-hour chart doesn't look that great, but if you pull the layers back a little bit, if we pull up, let's say, the 3-year chart, you're going to notice, wait a second, we're actually still holding an uptrend. You guys can see here, we're right by the 180 SMA on the 3-year chart, which is right around 160, 150, and we are holding higher lows as of now on this 3-year chart. And this is why it's so important, guys, to look at many time frames, not just the intraday, the 5-day, the 10-day, and it kind of depends on what kind of trader you are. Me personally, I'm more of a swing trader. Sure, I day trade sometimes, but I'm more of a swing trader, and it benefits you as a longer term, let's say, swing trader. Short, mid-term is what I am, I'd say. It benefits you to look at longer term time frames. You know, if you're a day trader, you probably don't give a crap about this, but if you're looking to, you know, swing trade, maybe hold the stock for a couple of days, couple of weeks, depending on, you know, your trading style, I think looking at something like this, the 3-year chart is very important. And now all we have to wait for, all I'm waiting for, because I can't tell you guys what to do, right? All I'm waiting for is some sort of confirmation of a reversal, which again, if I just clear the drawing set here, guys, on the 4-hour chart, we're not showing any signs of that right now. You guys can see lower highs have been made for months with no signs of a reversal. But if we do start breaking above, let's say some key levels that I'm looking at here, 190, you know, we start breaking above $200, and mind you, 190 was the high from, let me zoom in here a little bit, that was from the beginning of June, middle of June as well. So if we start breaking above that point, guys, you know, 190, we could start making a move 225, 230. Then if that were to break, that's where I believe the legitimate reversal breakout could come on end phase, and that's where everybody that is buying right now, that's where they're going to benefit. And anybody that's willing to buy on the confirmation, which I'm not telling you guys what to do, I can't tell you what to do, but you know, the people that are taking the risk right now, they're going to benefit if that breakout does end up playing out. And end phase, let me see here, guys, they report earnings later this month, I believe, as well, in July on the 25th after the bell. So that's coming up here in about 3 weeks from about 3 weeks from now. So keep your eyes on ENPH, and the next ticker is GNRC. Let me pull it up and show you guys. This is generic holdings. It's down currently about 4% when I'm making this video, and we can see this has been doing very well, especially here over the past 2 months. In the beginning of May, the stock was at about 95, roughly $105-ish. Then we started to break out. We saw a golden cross. We went above the moving averages, and we got all the way up to $150 by the end of June. And now you guys can see it's pulling back. We hit 150. Now we're at about 130, low 130s, right? We're down about 12-13% from that recent high. And in my opinion, guys, this is clearly reversing on the 4-hour chart. This is simply a pullback within the overall breakout. So I'm looking to see if buyers come in on GNRC anywhere from, let's say, it's probably a wide range where buyers could come in. I mean, it is a wide range. I'm looking to see if they come in anywhere from 118.20 to about 130. This, you know, $5, $10, $12 window. We'll see if they do. And if they do, guys, that's where money could be made on that bounce, you know, on that rebound, if we do end up getting some sort of relief rally. So GNRC, I'm loving it. There's some weakness right now, but by the looks of it, it's not guaranteed, guys, but I believe it could be short-term weakness. We could get some sort of rebound. So we'll see what happens, guys, with GNRC. End phase, again, ticker symbol ENPH. And the first one that we covered, which is DHI. Keep your eyes on it, guys. This one is looking pretty interesting on the dip. So what do you all think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and make sure to subscribe, guys. If you have not done that yet, what the heck are you waiting for? Subscribe, hit that like button as well, and don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of this video. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. Just use that link down below, or just go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000, and fund your account at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys, fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed. And guys, that part of the promo is limited time. The clock's ticking, so use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. I appreciate you guys as always, and feel free to check out my Patreon or the YouTube channel membership. Same thing, guys, link down below. If you guys want to be a part of the private portfolio, you want to see my posts and ideas throughout the day, plus more, that's on Patreon or the YouTube membership. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you later.